I recently took on the challenge of revamping my garage floor. I bought and tested 5 different epoxy coatings so you don't have to waste your hard-earned cash. Each product has its unique strengths and weaknesses, and I'm here to share my honest feedback on what works and what doesn't. Let's dive into these 5 garage floor epoxy coatings. Product number 1, Garage Self-Leveling Epoxy Resin Kit. Let me tell you about my experience with the Epoxy Garage Self-Leveling Epoxy Resin Kit. Right from the get-go, I was impressed with the packaging. The kit came with clear instructions, which is a huge win for someone like me who's not a professional. I started with my garage, which had seen better days, cracks, stains, you name it. I prepared the surface as per the guidelines, and the application was surprisingly simple. I poured out the liquid, and as promised, it self-leveled beautifully. The finish was a stunning high gloss that immediately brightened up the entire space. Now let's get into the pros and cons. On the plus side, the durability of this epoxy is phenomenal. It withstood not just my vehicle, but also the heavy foot traffic from my family. I love that it's resistant to chemicals and spills. I had a few accidents with oil and other substances, but they wiped right off. Plus, the low odor was a pleasant surprise. I could work in my garage without feeling overwhelmed by fumes. But on the downside, I noticed that it took a bit longer than advertised to fully cure. While it was traffic ready in a week, I was hesitant to park my car on it for about 10 days just to be safe. So why should you buy the Epoxy kit? If you want an epoxy that not only looks fantastic but also offers exceptional durability with low maintenance, this is your go-to. It's perfect for both DIY enthusiasts and those who might want to call in a professional later on. I genuinely believe it's a solid investment for anyone looking to upgrade their garage floor. Product number 2, Professional Epoxy Floor Paint Kit. Next up is the Shang Tian Feng Professional Epoxy Floor Paint Kit. When I first opened the gallon, I was immediately drawn to the sea gray color. I was looking for a neutral shade that wouldn't clash with the rest of my garage, and this hit the mark. The application process was straightforward. It's a ready-to-use formula, so no mixing was required. I was able to cover my garage fairly quickly, with the extensive coverage area being a highlight. In terms of pros, this paint is incredibly tough. It handled the wear and tear of my daily activities, moving heavy tools around and dragging things across the floor without a scratch. I was amazed at how quickly it cured too. I could walk on it within a couple of days and drive my car onto it after about a week. The high gloss finish was a bonus, making the space feel larger and cleaner. However, I did encounter a few minor issues. For one, the instructions weren't as detailed as I would have liked, leading to a bit of guesswork on my end. Also, while it's advertised as scratch-resistant, I did notice a few marks after some heavy-duty use. So why buy this product? If you're looking for a reliable, easy-to-use epoxy coating that delivers on durability and aesthetics, this is a great choice. It's especially suited for those who want a quick turnaround without compromising on quality. Product number 3, Specialty Epoxy Garage Floor Coating. Now let's talk about the SENVEN Specialty Epoxy Garage Floor Coating. I was really impressed with the built-in primer and top coat feature. It made the application process incredibly simple. Just open the can and start painting. I was skeptical about the chip-resistant claim, but after a month of using my garage, I can confidently say it holds true. The first time I applied it, I opted for a thin coat, and it dried faster than I anticipated. On the pro side, I found this epoxy to be extremely versatile. Whether it was for my car or the odd workshop project, it handled everything like a champ. The gloss finish added a sleek look and was easy to clean. I also appreciated the low odor during application, which made the whole process much more pleasant. On the flip side, I did encounter a slight issue with coverage. While the kit claims to cover 300 square feet, I found that I needed more than one coat for an even finish. It wasn't a deal breaker, but it's worth noting if you're considering this kit for a larger area. So why buy the SENVEN kit? If you're after a product that's easy to apply and offers excellent durability with a beautiful finish, this is definitely worth your investment. It's perfect for those who want something straightforward, yet effective for their garage. Product number 4, GLAINT Upgrade Epoxy Concrete and Garage Floor Paint. Next on the list is the GLAINT Upgrade Epoxy Concrete and Garage Floor Paint. What caught my eye was the unique marble effect finish it promised. I decided to give it a try, thinking it might add some flair to my otherwise plain garage. The application was a breeze, just mix and apply. I was pleasantly surprised at how easy it was to spread the product, and the results were stunning. The marble effect looked fantastic once it dried. In terms of pros, the stone-reinforced durability was evident. I had heavy objects rolling across the floor, and there were no chips or cracks to be seen. The high-gloss finish really helped in keeping the space looking clean and polished. On the downside, it did take a bit longer to cure completely than I had hoped. I had to wait a full week before I felt comfortable parking my car on it. Additionally, the price point is on the higher side compared to other options, which might deter some buyers. So why should you consider the GLAINT Epoxy? If you want a unique and stylish finish that's built to last, this product is a great choice. It's perfect for those looking to elevate their garage aesthetics while ensuring durability. Product number 5, 3-in-1 Epoxy Floor Coating. Finally, let's discuss the Mahler 3-in-1 Epoxy Floor Coating. I was excited about this product because it combines primer, paint, and clear coat into one application. This sounded like a time saver, and I was eager to see if it delivered. The application was indeed easy. I was able to skip a lot of the prep work that usually takes up my time. The finish was impressive, high gloss and slip resistant, which is perfect for a garage environment. One of the significant advantages I found was its industrial-grade defense against damage. I had a few spills while working on my car, and the coating held up beautifully. However, I did notice that the drying time was a bit misleading. While it was tack-free in 4 hours, I found I needed to wait closer to a full day before it was walkable, which was a bit inconvenient. So why buy the Mahler coating? If you're looking for a comprehensive solution that saves time and provides excellent protection, this is worth considering. It's ideal for those who want a durable, easy-to-apply product that looks great and stands up to heavy use. In conclusion, upgrading your garage floor with the right epoxy coating can make all the difference. Each of these products has its unique strengths, from durability and ease of application to stunning finishes. My top picks would be the Epoxy for its exceptional durability and the Mahler for its time-saving 3-in-1 formula. Ultimately, choose the one that fits your needs and enjoy a beautiful, long-lasting garage floor.